In this video, I am going to teach you how to add timer in card.co. So if you want to add a timer to your card.co website, what you can do is you can first head over to their URL on your browser by going to card with double r.co. Now from in there, you will be prompted to log in or choose a sorting point. So it's actually up to you. So if you already have an account, you can further log in. If you do not have an account yet, you can sign up by choosing a starting point from here. So choosing a starting points mean choosing the template that you want. So some templates are premium while some are free. So just select in here the actual template that you want to utilize. Now, once you have selected right here a template, next thing we need to do is to click on this plus icon that you can see right here in your screen. This is the add element option. Click on this and it will open this part. So as you can see, we can click onto this timer option. It's already added into the actual card widgets. So just click onto the timer, and then after you have done that, this will be added right here. You can just choose in here the type of timer. It can be a countdown, count up, or duration timer. Let's do a countdown for a fixed date. So today is July 4. Let's do a countdown for July 7. Now you can also choose right here the time for the actual countdown and also the time zone. You can also choose in here a completion URL wherein you will be redirected to this URL when the countdown reaches 0. So click on done right here and you should be able to see the countdown already added. We have in here the days, hours, minutes, and seconds already integrated. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.